Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. In front of me is a beautiful 2023 Acura INTEGRA. You guys been waiting for it for so long time, and we finally got it on the lot right here. Right now in the front, you got the hazard lights on. Show you guys right off the bat what the turn signal is going to look like when you give your turn signals. Just like that. Very sharp, bright. Looks really great. You got the INTEGRA right there on the front bumper on the driver's side, right under the headlight. Got the gloss black, the bottom and top grille. Got the fog lights in the bottom right there, they're functional. You got parking sensors in the front as well. The aerodynamics on this thing is really nice. As you can see, the headlights are different from the Acura TLX, the Type S. Very different from that. You can tell the INTEGRA just by the headlights of it. Also the front grille. Now this one's coming in gloss black emblem only because accessorized. This one, you got the carbon fiber side mirror right there, real carbon fiber. Looks really great. You got 18-inch wheels right there, matte black. Turn focus on there. There you go. Here's a side angle. So this thing has a 200 horsepower, 1.5 liter. It's a 6-speed manual. So you guys definitely, if you're into manual, it is available in manual, of course. It's an A-spec badge on the side right here on the fenders. And then you got a keyless entry, of course, right there. Just looking at the MSRP over here and everything like that. The features, you guys can pause it if you want to, go for it. As you can see, total vehicle price right there, $37,395. But that's before the markup, of course, the shortage and everything. You guys know that already. And on back out, we got the capless feel. Got the side skirts as well. As you can see, looks really great with the side skirts. Let's get an angle from the side. Look at this, super sharp, very aggressive. Another thing to point out, you got the LED turn signals on the side mirrors right there as well, and the PSI blind spot monitor information right there as well. Going up, check this out. That's the rear. Get some contrast on this thing, just like this. And then you got an INTEGRA right there again. And then this is what the tail lights look like. You guys were thinking what they're gonna look like. This is how it is. Show you the other side. This one looks, sun is hitting it really hard. Show you this side right here, much better. In the back, you got the spoiler, carbon fiber, of course, real carbon fiber. Check it out. Side angle. Go from the top. Side here lowered. In case you're interested, you want to add the spoiler on yours. This is what it's going to look like. So I'm giving you every angle possibly I can, so you know for sure what you'll be getting. Then you got the exhaust system, the exhaust tips in the back, and then you got the diffuser. It's different from the stock one, so you won't get this. This is accessorized again. So the emblem, of course, gloss black right there, and then the diffuser is different also. As you can see, more aggressive diffuser in the back, gloss black finish. All right, let's open this guy up. This is how much space we got. This is how high it goes. for the rear sides, and you have the cover for the privacy sheet as well, the privacy cover right there. Going back. All right, let's go in the front. Turn this thing off right now. What are we looking at the front? Startup animation. Show you guys that in a bit, but you got 2 memory seats. You got the ELS Studio 3D sound system. You got 16 speakers, and this thing with a subwoofer in the back as well. That is insane. You know, ELS Studio 3D is really great sound system. They're all over the place. Sound system right over my head, passenger. They're all over the place. They got the small tweeters, 2 in the back, and on this side as well. 1 over here. But yeah, beautiful red leather stitching as well. Really nice. This fabric, I forgot what it's called exactly again, but if you know, comment below. But it feels really nice and comfortable. You got the leather on the sides, you got the 2-tone, you got the red, and then they got the black. And then this design came from, well, you guys know that, well, Acura is a higher end from Honda, so with the honeycomb, with the Civics, and now 2023 HRV has it, but this is more like a diamond pattern here. So it's that. Fully functionals on both sides, all of them. You got USB, you got Type-C USB right there. You got a 12-volt power outlet in the back. I mean, not in the back, sorry, over here on this side. You have one in the back as well. You got wireless charging station right here. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. You got built-in Alexa as well. You got the auto-dimming mirror as well, on and off. Dome lights. You got the sun for your shades. Storage right there. And then, see, in this package, you got the vanity mirrors with the illuminated lights. Got the moon roof right over here on top. Really great. Super bright out. Close it back up. But let's go start this thing up. Show you guys the animation. But look at that stitching on the steering wheel. Is super nice. Really well done. Bottom trim is like chrome. Then you got the A-Spec badge. Focus. Too close. There you go. And then let's start the animation to show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna close the door so you guys can see it. All right, let's start this thing up. Super nice, right? And then I like how the car emblem right there, I like animation. When I hit the brakes, see that the brakes go on over there too. Seeing the turn signals. And same thing with the headlights on, so you know your headlights are on. That's that. And let's go outside and take a look at the headlights and see what they look like at the daytime running lights, since you guys haven't seen that. There you have it for oh, trying to focus on there. Super bright, can't even stare at it directly. But yeah, this is your daytime running light right here. It's flickering. Almost every camera is going to be having this flickering thing going on, but in reality it's not really flickering. I know some people had comments before, they're like, is it going to be flickering like this? I'm like, no, it's not. It's just in the camera. But these are your headlights right there, very aggressive. It's a jewel design. Let's see if I can get that side for you guys. Yep. Alright, we're going back inside. It's got a few revs. I like that this is also illuminated right here. The door sill. illuminated in the evening. Let's do a few revs and see what it sounds like. So your rev limiter ends at 4,500 RPM. Start here in the back. Yeah, that's that. And turn it back off. Auto. Super hot out. And you can customize the front, of course. You see it says navigation where you see a compass. You could put other things there. Got the fuel on the right. You got the temperature on the left side. And different modes right here. Individual would be customized, of course, I believe. And then different mode. You got sport mode. Also, this changes. Is what else is it? You got sport mode. You got normal. You got comfort. That's it. Comfort, normal, sport. That's all you got. And I see how the center console also changes, like red, and comfort goes blue. And the TLX TLX Type S has the interior lighting that turns white, blue and red with the different modes. Since this one doesn't have it, but at least you got in the center console changing, so you know what dynamic mode you're in. You got the auto, you got the idle, stop, off, and on just by pressing it. But the parking brakes, electric parking brakes right there. Brake and hold feature is really great. 6-speed manual transmission. You got the heated seats right there. Everything else is gonna be in here. You got Sirius XM, Bluetooth. You connect your phone pretty much. Self-explanatory, everything over here. Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi hotspot right there. Vehicle settings. And the touchscreen is very responsive. Like, it's super quick. That's great. That is awesome. So that's that. And then checking the space in the back. Got the cup holders in the bottom right here, which is a perfect spot. And I like how they kind of sink in, not like all the way up here and then your cups like pop up here. I like how they sink in, because whenever you put your drinks in, it stays right there, so you don't run into it and spill coffee everywhere. It will stay in that spot. This is how much storage you're gonna get under the armrest area. Close it back up, and let's go to the back side, see how much room we got. So in the back side, you got 2 USBs right there. And this is the room you're looking at in the back. I mean, if the person is, I'm a pretty tall guy, so I mean, I have enough room over here. I'm sitting comfortably, actually. I'm not, no complaints. Yeah, like this seat, like literally very comfortable driver seat. As you can see how back it is. I'm still very comfortable with this. I'm not like pushing into it or anything like that. I still have a few inches of room over here in the back. So if that helps, smash the like button. And yep, center area right there, how it looks from the back, full view for you guys. And honestly, that's about it. So what do you guys think? Comment below. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And I appreciate the support. Peace out until next time, fam.